from 2nd B, Lakshmi International School. Mathematics is queen of science. Mathematics is everywhere in nature. Let us integrate maths with nature. Today's activity is subtraction.
My name is Mishika Goenka from 2nd B. My school name is Lakshmi International School. Now I am presenting subtraction. 10 leaves minus 4 leaves is equal to 6 leaves. Thank you.
2nd B. I am doing subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. From 2nd B. Today I am doing subtraction. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4.
Yes. 7.
Subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 3 is equals to 3.
Myself, Ishwari Nitin Wahab from 2nd B. My school name is Lakshmi International School. Today activity is subtraction. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 leaves. Minus 3 is equals to 4. Thank you.
My name is Aradhya Deepak Sharma from class 2nd B. I have 6 leaves. 6 minus 3 leaves in the 3 leaves. Thank you.
7 minus 4 is equals to 3.
Good